everyone. Now today we all are learning about the history. What is meant by history? History means the something happens in past time is known as history. In history there are many rulers who are ruling, who have written their history, what has happened, and many peoples who have hunting. Hunting means why they are hunting? They are hunting for food. They are hunting for getting food, for living. So that's why they are hunting. Means in past time they didn't know about the food, they didn't know about the plants, and in that time means there are plants but not the food of the plants. So now that's today we are learning about what happened in history. So there are many hunters, farmers, herders who are doing for us in past time, and that's why today we all are present here. We are getting farming, we are getting food, many farmers who are herder, who are herding, and there are many emperors who are fight for us, who are doing so much work for us. So today we are going to learn about the class 6th history chapter 1, what, where, how and when. So let's start. So now what did people live? Where did people live? Means in which place they are living. First, there in all the places there are land. There are means some rivers also, and they are settling bank of the rivers because of water. They are getting water because the water is so much essential for us, and mostly in that time in Narmada rivers they are living. For example, just see an example. This is a Narmada river and this is the bank of this river. So the peoples are living here. So why they are living? For getting water. And here the plants are also there. They are able to hunting also, because in all that area there is forest. So they are easier to hunt and they are easier to live bank of the river. Now you may see that the Suleiman and Kirthar hills. In that hills the crops are being grown before 8,000 years ago. The mans and women's can growing crops and they are able to eat. So in first time they are hunting. They are getting food with the help of hunting. But before 8,000 years ago, they are cropping. So it's the invention of man's and women's before 8,000 years. And now I would like to say about the Ganga river. In Ganga river also the peoples are settling. The tributary of Ganga means, now I would like to say about tributary. Tributary means, for example, this is the river Ganga, and there are many rivers who is going through the Ganga river, and the major tributary is Sun. It is called Sun R. It is a river which is going to the sisters of India, and the peoples are also settling here also. Now let's learn about from where does the names came. So let's learn about the names of India. First, the Greeks people and Iranis people who are coming here, and the peoples are inventing the name India. There is one river, it is now also, which is called Indus River. So the Greeks and Iranis people can't able to speak Hindi. So they are saying like Hindus, Indus, like this type of words they are saying to the Indus River, and they are making this name our country India because it is easier to speak our country, which is India. And from where does Bharat, this name came from? From Iranis and Greeks people also, because there is one group of people in our country. So the group of peoples are called Bharatas, Bharat. So that's why our country get one more name which is called Bharat. And now I am going to say you about the name of one ruler whose name is Dhananand. The kingdom, the first big kingdom, who is called Magadha. So Magadha is the first big kingdom, and everyone means the peoples want to settle in Magadha. The king, which is called Dhananand. The Magadha is special for the money. Means here is too much money at that time, and here is too much money at that time. So they are able to doing so much work. They are doing hard work. So the peoples are getting money. So the Magadha, we are just saying that Magadha is a platform for the people which is giving them money. So that's why the Magadha is famous for its money. And now I am going to say you about the something is written, like take the example of palm leaves. The leaves, the paper where the notice has been written for the peoples. And there is one more thing which is called inscription. Inscription means the piece of stone where something is written in Sanskrit language, because in that time there is no Hindi language, Marathi language. There is Sanskrit language which is giving instructions to the people. The emperor is giving instruction to the people, is known as inscription. So thanks all of you. I hope you all love my today's topic, which is called history, and what, where, how and which thing is happened. Thanks all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.